channel. Today I have a really special unboxing that I'm doing. This is a bag that came from the Sensible Mama. It was designed by Amber Waddell, the owner of the Sensible Mama, and it's such a special bag, and I'm so excited to open this up with you guys. I haven't even done anything. I haven't opened it up, removed tissue or anything like that. I've just simply cut the tape, and now I'm doing an unboxing with you guys. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, first, this box was specially made for these bags. This is the LYMIA box, and that's what it stands for. I love you, meet it always. Look how cute the box is. This is adorable. I love it. And this is the side. So let's go ahead and open it up. I am standing on my table because I'm so short. So here we go. Oh my goodness, I love it. So here's their special tissue paper made specifically for this design bag. Absolutely adorable. A little note from the girls there. All right, who's ready? I am so ready for this. Take the bag out. So it comes plastic wrapped. We'll go ahead and we'll take this out in a dust bag for the protection of the bag. This is a full leather bag, which is awesome. Look at that color. Look how gorgeous that is. Love how bright it is. It's so vibrant. It's called Boss Up, and the style is the Charlie tote. And we'll go ahead and we'll take a look inside. So inside that little pouch is called the Pretty Pod, which I am calling the Jolly Pod because I plan to put my little Jolly Ranchers candy inside of it. Let me get it open. So this is what it is. It has the embossed LYMIA logo on it. Or LYMIA, sorry, LYMIA. And it's just really cute. Okay. And inside here, there's also a messenger strap bag, or messenger strap for the bag. So pretty. Can't get over how gorgeous this color is. And then here are the straps, or the handles. It's got about a 20-inch drop to it, which is great for shorter people. And then there's a ton of tissue paper in here. Grab all that out. There we go. Look at that. I love how it's so packed. It's just packed so perfectly. Inside, there's a nice pink color for the liner. Gorgeous. Now this is really cool. In here is a keychain, a key fob that just snaps right in place. It's a magnet, which is great. So you can grab your keys, put it down here. I usually have my keys in a be charged, so this would be great for that. It should hold. It's really strong, so that's nice. Back here is a slip pocket, which fits up to about a 13-inch laptop with a cover on it, so my MacBook would definitely fit in there. Here's a back pocket. And it fits really nice and deep in there. If you can see, my whole hand fits in there. That's great. And it does zip all the way, but I just can't zip it with one hand. Let's turn this bag around. Here are two pockets, nice and deep. How great is that? Two bottle pockets on the side that are insulated. So great for the two kids, or three kids that I have. Only two carry a bottle, so that works out really well for me. Behind here, another deep pocket. I love how deep these pockets are. Amazing. Okay, let's take it fully out of the bag so you all can see. it. So that is the bag. And on the side here are adjustable straps. So you can lengthen this. Right now it's on its longest setting, but you can pull it down so it's a little bit shorter. But I think for a diapering bag, I like it this size right now. And I love how soft the leather is. Congrats, Amber. You did awesome with designing this bag, and I love the color. Can't wait to use it.